Hello, my name is Alejandra de la Garza. I am at SPC 610, Section 807. This is my 7th semester at Ball State University. My presentation will be about multiple students without replacement. The purpose of a preference assessment. I will conduct the multiple students without replacement preference assessment to identify the hierarchy of the individual's preferences within 7 identified items. The data collected in the session will help rank and guide the establishment of the preferred stimuli. The result of the preference assessment may identify stimuli that may function as reinforcers. How to conduct the MSWO. First, we will select the 7 items that would be enjoyable or motivating to the individual. And next, the individual will be positioned in front of the table. The items will be displayed in a straight line about 1 to 2 inches apart on a table, tray, or large surface area. The individual will be given a few minutes to manipulate the items. The individual will be instructed to select one item, for example, point to what you most enjoy. When the item is selected, the remaining items are removed. The individual is given access to the selected item for 10 to 20 seconds. Then the selected item will be removed and not replaced. The selected item will be written down in each trial section. The remaining items will be rotated, presented in an array. The next trials are followed immediately, and the same procedure continues, step 5 to 9. The procedure is repeated until all items are selected or the individual refuses to make any more selection. Data collection procedure for the MSWO. First, we will have the 7 predetermined items labeled the item from A to G on the data sheet. The date of the assessment, the child's name, and the assessor's name should be written on the data sheet. There will be a total of 4 preference assessment sessions. Each session consists of 7 trials since there are 7 items. When the individual selects an item in each trial, document the selected item for that trial number. The placement of the item selected will also be shown, which is represented by the X's in the array. After the selection order of all items have been recorded on the data sheet, we will count the trial number of the item picked for each session. And then we will add the totals for each item. The lower sum trial numbers are mostly preferred. Moderate sum trial numbers are moderately preferred, and high sum trial numbers are least preferred. I will be conducting an MSWO preference assessment. I will be conducting an MSWO preference assessment with Nancy. You go ahead and play with the items, Nancy. Which item do you prefer the most? Good job, Nancy. These items, what do you prefer the most? These items, which one do you prefer the most? Good job, Nancy. You picked the pony. Which item do you prefer the most, Nancy? Good job, Nancy. Which item do you prefer the most, Nancy? The ball. Nice, Nancy. Of these two items, which one do you prefer the most, Nancy? Oh, you picked the fruit snacks? Most yummy. Do you prefer the most? The Twizzler. Good job, Nancy. You did such a good job. Thank you, Nancy. I just performed the MSWO preference assessment with Nancy. Based off the data, her highest preferred item was the hot Cheetos, which is a total of 7. She had 4 moderately preferred items, which was the blocks with a total of 12, the pony a total of 17, the ball a total of 16, the liquid timer a total of 14 points. And she had 2 lowest preferred items, which was the Twizzlers, which a total of 24, and the fruit snacks a total of 22. So based off the data for the 4 sessions, her most preferred item was the hot Cheetos.